7 divides 7 is equals to 1 divides 7 divides 7 is also equals to 1, and 1 divides 1 equals to 1. So this is our wrong answer, and this is the wrong process or wrong steps to solve this type of question. So here you remember that if a negative sign appears simultaneously, then here we just solve this type of questions from left side to right side. It means that first we solve the terms from left and we move towards right. Okay, we move from left to the right side. So it means that first we can divide 7 and 7, and when we divide this 7 with 7 we get a 1, and we write all the other term as it is here. This is 7 divided 7, and now here we solve these two terms, and here 1 divides 7, we write it here into the fraction form. 1 divides 7, and this is divides by 7. So here we use another nice rule which know about KCF rule. So KCF rule means that here K stands for keep the term as it is. It means that we just keep the first term as it is. C stands for change the operation. Okay, so change the operation means, you see that here we have operation division, so we change this division operation to multiplication. And here F stands for flip the term, flip the next term. We have the next term is 7, and you see that the denominator of this term is 1, so we need to flip this term. Okay, so here we use the KCF rule, and according to this rule we just keep the first term as it is. We write it as 1 divides 7, and we change the operation division to multiplication, and we flip the next term. It means that this is 7 over 1, we write it as 1 over 7, and further we multiply 1 with 1 and 7 with 7, and we obtain 1 times 1 becomes 1, 7 times 7 becomes 49. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.